They say sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Right now I'm losing bad. I stood on stage night after night, reminding broken it'll be alright. Right now, oh right now I just can't. It's easy to say, there's nothing to bring me down. What would I say when I'm held to the flame like I am right now? I know you're able and I know you can sail through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you won't, my hope is you alone. They say it ought to take their feet, move mountains, good things. Little faith is all I have right now. God, when you choose